everyone, I'm Nicole. Today it's just gonna be me bringing you the first lesson of critical adjectives. We're going to learn right and wrong. Right.
啱
啱
啱
啱
High and flat.
啱
啱
The easiest sentence with ngam is that's right. Ngam lạc. Ngam lạc. Ngam lạc. Lạc. This is an ending particle in Cantonese that means you're sure of something, you're positive about something. Lạc. It ends with a glottal stop, K. So you're pronouncing the ending K with your throat, but not with your lips or teeth. Lạc. Ngam lạc. So to say he's right,
佢啱
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 the first sound 佢 means he or she or it. In Cantonese, they're all 佢. 佢啱, he's right. 我啱, I'm right.
我啱
我啱
I'm right.
我啱
我啱
我啱. Sometimes we'll have to admit that we're not always right. So to say, I'm not right, you say,
我唔啱
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 I'm not right.
我唔啱
我唔啱. So if you're not right, you're wrong. Let's hear the word for wrong.
錯
錯
錯
錯
This is a third tone. It starts from the middle and stays there.
錯
錯
That's wrong. 錯啦錯啦
錯
which means wrong. La. That's right. It's the ending particle that means you're sure of something or you're positive about something. Sometimes we'll have to apologize and admit that we're wrong. We've taught a way of saying that with the word ngam.
我唔啱
Now we can say it with the word.
錯
So to say that I'm wrong, you can say
我錯
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 我
means I,
錯
means wrong.
我錯
I'm wrong.
我錯
To say you are wrong, you say
你錯
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 you are wrong. 你錯. What if you're not wrong? 你冇錯. You're not wrong. 你冇錯. So we've learned quite a few sentences today. Before we go, let's have a quick review. Right. 啱 That's right 啱啦 He's right 佢啱 I'm right 我啱 I'm not right 我唔啱 Wrong 錯 That's wrong 錯啦 I'm wrong 我錯 You're wrong 你錯 You're not wrong 你冇錯 That's it for today's podcast. If you have any questions, please write to me at nicole@popupcantonese.com or leave us a comment at www.popupcantonese.com. Bye bye.